Let's solve a simple math problem. 5 times 2 plus 40 divided by 4. Seems easy, right? But here's something surprising. Most people get it wrong. It's not because it's hard, but because they skip over the most important rule in math, the order of operations. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only know the correct answer but also how to approach problems like this without making mistakes. Here's where people usually mess up. They solve it from left to right. Like this. 5 times 2 is 10. Then they add 40 to get 50. And finally, divide 40 to get 12.5. That answer might look fine at first glance, but it's completely wrong. The right way to solve this starts with remembering PEMDAS. This is the rule that guides us when solving math problems with more than one operation. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division done from left to right, addition and subtraction also done from left to right. Now, let's apply this rule to the problem 5 times 2 plus 40 divided by 4. The first step is solving inside the parentheses. Look at what's inside. 2 plus 40 divided by 4. According to PEMDAS, we handle division first. So, 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Now, add the 2 plus 10 equals 12. The parentheses are simplified to 12. So now we have 5 times 12. That's straightforward. 5 times 12 equals 60. And there it is. The correct answer is 60. So, why do so many people get this wrong? It's because math has rules that don't follow the way we read or think. A lot of people rush or forget that multiplication and division have the same priority, or they don't work through parentheses first. These small mistakes add up and lead to the wrong answers. Here's how to make sure you never fall for a problem like this again. First, slow down. Even if it looks easy, write out each step if you need to. Second, practice using PEMDAS. It's like a road map for solving problems. And finally, double check your steps. Just going back through the problem one more time can save you from a mistake. If this problem felt like a fun challenge, or maybe even give you a bit of wait, what moment, you're not alone. Problems like these are great for sharpening your math skills and spotting those little habits that might need a tweak. Stick around for more videos and we will break down math into simple, clear steps that anyone can follow. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves solving puzzles or brushing up their math. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.